Well, Walmart Global Tech recently wrapped up its flagship event, Converge, in Bangalore, where it unveiled its agentic framework and introduced WIBEY, which is the fourth super agent powering a new era of developer productivity. To discuss that and the broader future of AI in retail, we're delighted to have with us Hari Vasudev, the Executive Vice President and Chief Technology Officer of Walmart US, with us today, having built Walmart's India Tech Hub into a powerhouse and now leading AI transformation in the US. Hari brings a unique perspective on what's next for retail globally and in India. Hari, thank you so much for your time here on Starup Street today. You've just announced WIBEY as Walmart's fourth super agent, an invocation layer rather than a dashboard. How will this fundamentally change the way technology is built and operated inside Walmart?
Yeah, so what WIBEY will do is it'll allow developers to build agents faster, right? So as we move towards more of an agentic world, what we want to do is to make sure that AI is completely embedded into the fabric of Walmart. So whether it's our customers, our associates in the front line in the stores, whether it is our partners like our advertisers, our sellers, our suppliers, our content creators, or indeed our own developers, we want to be deploying agentic AI as a way to accelerate the productivity of our associates. And so WIBEY is particularly oriented towards developers that will allow us to be able to not only develop agents in the way, to allow us to develop code faster, but also to build agents that will then essentially make the rest of the enterprise more productive as well.
Well, even with Element that you've announced, you're essentially creating a foundation for scalable agentic development. Do you see a future where this framework can extend beyond Walmart, perhaps to partners, startups, or even open source communities?
That is something that, we haven't really thought about yet, but that's certainly in the realm of possibility. For now, what we are doing is we are focused on deploying agentic AI overall across our enterprise. And the four super agents that we've announced, Sparky, the one for our associates, the one for our external community, Marty, as well as WIBEY, are all going to be really focused on within our enterprise.
Well, let's talk about agentic AI then. From your vantage point, what are the most tangible use cases already impacting Walmart's business today? And what is the realistic roadmap to full-scale autonomous decision-making in retail?
Yeah, so I think, when the way we have approached AI is that we want to make sure that as we deploy these agents, to your point, that there is measurable impact. And it's really helping everyone, whether it's our associates, whether it's our customers, or our suppliers and our partners. So for example, with our customers, what we're doing is we're moving to more of a more natural interface, if you will, where customers can work with our systems.
In the current environment where tariff-related tensions are rising globally, supply chains, consumer behaviors, they're more volatile than ever. How is Walmart using technology, like AI-driven forecasting, supply chain optimization, etc., to cushion these shocks and also keep the cost predictable?
Yeah, so we have been using AI quite effectively for a while now, right? You talked about demand forecasting. So for example, we have machine learned algorithms that run forecasting models that do forecasting at the store item level. Another example is, as we look at our supply chain network, what we're doing is we are running algorithms that allows to effectively place inventory at the right places within our network so that we can deliver to our customers with ever increasing speed. Likewise, we have built in extremely robust last mile delivery systems, all of which are leveraging AI very effectively to be able to deliver items from our stores to 95% plus of US households in under an hour. And we think that's going to dramatically improve the experience for our customers. And that in turn will create huge impact for the enterprise, but it will also allow us to serve our customers that much better.
Let's talk about India, which is exporting a lot of digital infrastructure to the world from UPI to ONDC. How do you see India's retail tech innovations influencing Walmart's global playbook today?
Yeah, so for us, we've been working with the teams in India, and our teams in India are an integrated part of our global technology teams. But we are also looking at, for example, our own entities in India like PhonePe, and we have looked at solutions that they have built and have effectively transplanted it to other markets like Mexico, for example, where our Cashi product in Mexico is modeled after some of the products and technologies that have been deployed in India by PhonePe.
Well, finally, Hari, retail itself is undergoing a massive reset from Gen AI to immersive commerce and whatnot. From where you sit, what do you see as the three most significant shifts that are reshaping global retail today? And how is Walmart positioning itself amid this change?
Yeah. So one, I think it always begins with the customer, right? So making sure that we're able to serve our customers effectively and as fast as we can. So I talked about how the speed of delivery is becoming more and more critical, right? So for example, we're very, very focused on delivering to our customers from our stores as fast as we can. The second is really how do we improve the experiences our customers going through when they shop with us, whether that's in the store or whether that's online. How do you bring AI to bear so that we can effectively create more seamless shopping experiences for our customers with less friction than in the past? And then third, of course, is how do we use AI effectively for our own associates? And so how do we essentially use AI as a rising tide that lifts all boats across all of the stakeholders in our enterprise? Those are some of the big areas of focus for us.
Well, thanks, Hari, so much for your time and for bringing us that perspective. And on that note, we're going to wrap up this edition of Startup Street. Many thanks for watching, and it's a goodbye from all of us.